Alright, I'm recording. Get in there. Get in there, Ryan. This is the Hurricane machine. Hurricane winds 78 miles per hour. Alright, do it. Get in there, Ryan. Ryan, get in there.
They won't take your money, Mike. It's crappy. They hate your money.
Because the door's not closed.
Ryan, keep the door closed. Holy crap, right? I really hate this thing.
Ryan!
No, we should probably stop it now.
Ryan, come on. Close the door.
You gotta get the money and stuff in it. Mike, you can't take me back here. Are you recording this?
Yes. This is...
Turn it off, we're gonna go get the money. Let's get my money exchanged. Close the door or I'll kill you.
Ryan's messing it up because he keeps on opening the door.
Mike, keep it closed.
It's not gonna work, dude. Seriously.
Yeah, give me another $1, Mike. This one's crappy. You're still recording this early. I would've hit the stop like 5 minutes ago.
I think the viewers want to see this complication.
Oh, that.
Stay in there, Ryan.
Holy crap, it's not taking past speed. Mike, we're having some technical difficulty on this screen. You do it, screw it. Got mad at it, don't work.
Hold the door close so he doesn't open it. Don't stop it, Jeremy.
Mike, you're already at 2 minutes. Recording us having technical complications.
You can't cut it out too. I don't know how that. Restart it.
Hey, we got it.
That's how you do it.
Mike's magic.
That's how you do it.
Turn around. There you go, Mike. You can go.
Whoa. Getting a little windy, Ryan.
There's the time.
Get me out!
It's that breeze again. Put more money in. Put more money in.
I don't got no more money.
Dude, holy crap! I didn't expect it to go that
Hey, turn it off, turn it off.
No, we're putting more money in.
Don't do it again!
Put more money in, Jeremy.
Bang that thing.
It's not going in, Jeremy. Hurry up.
Get me out!
Make you a call. Wait. Okay. Stop recording.